All right. Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining us. Today, we're going to do a quick demo on Agentforce Voice. Our agent that we built is named AVA, and today we're going to walk through how Agentforce can streamline some of the more common and high-value service interactions by using a fully autonomous agent. So each of our use cases will highlight how the agent verifies information, has the ability to make decisions in real time, and complete work without needing that sort of human interaction to intervene to capture the details. And so our first scenario focuses on the RMA process. The agent will identify the asset being returned, will check the entitlement coverage, determine the correct logistics based on size and location, and then will create the work order and service appointment. This will show how an RMA can be completed from start to finish in a single automated flow using Agentforce Voice. And then our second scenario centers on installation scheduling. So here the agent verifies the customer, confirms what product needs installation, validates the address, collects any special requirements like access restrictions or permits, and then schedules the appointment. So this will demonstrate how installation workflows can become faster, more accurate, and more convenient for the customer. And then lastly, we have a third scenario which walks through appointment updates. So the agent confirms who's calling, retrieves the current appointment details, has the ability to validate the change request, and then either proposes new times or accepts the customer's preferred time before finalizing the update. So together, these three use cases will show us how we can use an autonomous agent and Agentforce Voice to take on real operational tasks that normally require significant agent effort and back and forth, which will help the teams reduce the workload while giving customers a faster, more consistent experience. And so now I'll hand it over to Alex to do our hands-on demo.
All right, we're going to take a look here at our agent builder, and we're going to jump into our voice preview section. Hello, can I see if my asset is under warranty?
Could you please provide the serial number of your asset? This will help me locate the warranty details for you.
The serial number is 49005.
Let me check the warranty details for your asset. Your asset with serial number 49005 is under warranty. Let me retrieve the detailed warranty information for you. Fetching the warranty details for your asset. I have located the warranty details for your asset. Would you like me to proceed with providing the specific coverage information?
Yes, please.
Retrieving the warranty coverage details for your asset. Your asset, 320 medium excavator, is covered under a standard warranty. Here are the details. Warranty number AW-2804. Warranty start date February 22nd, 2023. Warranty end date February 21st, 2026. Expenses covered 80%. Parts covered 100%. Labor covered 100%. Let me know if you need further assistance.
I'd like to schedule a service appointment.
To schedule a service appointment, I need to check if your asset can be serviced at your location or if it needs to be brought to a service center. Let me verify the weight of your asset. Checking if your asset can be serviced at your location or needs to be brought to a service center. Your asset weighs 52,690 pounds, which is too heavy to be transported to the service center. A technician will need to be dispatched to your location. When would you like to schedule the appointment?
November 26th at 1 p.m.
To proceed with scheduling your service appointment, I will first create a work order for your asset. Let me handle that for you. Creating a work order for your service request. I will create a work order with the description, Service appointment request for asset 49005. Should I proceed?
Yes.
The work order has been successfully created. Now, I will schedule your service appointment for November 26th at 1 p.m. Your service appointment has been created with the appointment number SA 1120. Let me confirm the time slot for November 26th at 1 p.m. Checking available time slots for your service appointment. The available time slots for your service appointment include November 26th, 12:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Would you like to confirm this time slot?
Yes, please.
Confirming your service appointment. Your service appointment, SA 1120, has been scheduled for your asset, 320 medium excavator. A technician will contact you when they're on their way. Let me know if you need further assistance.
All right, and that'll do it for our first use case. And we'll go ahead and get right into the second one. Can I check on my order?
To assist you with your order, I need to identify your account. Please provide the phone number associated with your order.
210-812-1380.
Let me look up your account using the phone number you provided. To confirm, is the phone number associated with your order plus 12108-121380?
Yes.
Thank you for confirming. Let me retrieve your account details. I've identified your account under the name Alex Kuban. Could you please provide your order number so I can locate the specific details?
My order number is 10139.
Thank you. Let me retrieve the details for order number 10139. Here are the details for your order. Order number 10139. Status shipped. Delivery. Address 240 Front Street, San Francisco, California, 94111. Delivery date November 26th, 2025 before 1 p.m. PST. Do you need help with anything else regarding this order?
I want to schedule an installation.
Let me check if your order is eligible for installation. One moment, please. Checking if your order is eligible for installation. Your order is eligible for installation. Let's proceed to schedule an appointment. Could you let me know your preferred date and time?
November 26th at 1 p.m.
Let me check the availability for November the 26th, 2025 at 1 p.m. PST. One moment, please. Creating a work order for your installation request. To confirm, is the reason for the work order installation request for order 10,139 inches?
Yes.
Creating a work order for your installation request. The work order has been created successfully. Let me now schedule your installation appointment for November 26th, 2025 at 1 p.m. PST. One moment, please. Scheduling your installation appointment. Checking available time slots for your installation appointment. The available time slots for your installation are November 25th, 2025 from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. November 26th, 2025 from 12:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. November 28th, 2025 from 8:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. December 1st, 2025 from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. December 2nd, 2025 from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. December 3rd, 2025 from 12:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Would you like to proceed with November 26th, 2025 from 12:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. or choose another slot?
Proceed with November 26th.
Scheduling your installation appointment for November 26th, 2025 from 12:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. One moment, please. Your installation appointment, SA 1121, has been scheduled for November the 26th, 2025 from 12:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. A technician will contact you when they're on their way. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
All right, and that's it for use case 2. And let's get into use case 3 to wrap it up. Switch over to voice preview. I'd like to make a change to my service appointment.
Let me pull up your details to assist with your service appointment. I'm retrieving your service appointment details now. I found multiple service appointments linked to your account. Could you provide more details about the appointment you'd like to modify, such as the date or time?
The service appointment number is SA1099.
Fetching the details of your service appointment. I have the details of your service appointment. What changes would you like to make?
I need to reschedule.
When would you like to reschedule your service appointment?
Reschedule to November 28th at 11 a.m.
The time slot on November 28th, 2025 from 8:30 a.m. PST to 12 p.m. PST is available. Would you like to confirm this time?
Yes, please.
Rescheduling your service appointment to November 28th, 2025 at 11 a.m. Your service appointment has been successfully rescheduled to November 28th, 2025 at 11 a.m. PST. If you need further assistance, feel free to ask.
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day, and feel free to reach out if you need any assistance in the future.
All right, and that wraps us up for our 3 use cases. And I'll go ahead and give it back to Emily to talk about some of our next steps with AVA.
Thanks, Alex. So before we wrap up, I just wanted to give a quick preview of the next set of use cases we're building. So as we kind of continue to optimize the existing use cases that we have, we also have 3 additional use cases that we're currently working on. So the first upcoming use case is going to be location validation. So this builds on the installation workflows we showed earlier, enabling the agent to confirm installation addresses and site details before any work is dispatched. So it adds another layer of accuracy and reduces downstream scheduling errors. And then the use case 5 that we have introduces automated work completion and billing. So after a service order and work order are completed in Salesforce, the agent will send billing details to an AWS agent, triggering voice generation, and then receives the invoice back through Data Cloud. So that invoice is surfaced directly on the account record, creating a seamless end-to-end loop from service completion to billing transparency. And then our final scenario covers real-time parts availability, so the agent can identify a part based on the name, product identifier, or linked asset, query AWS for stock levels, interpret the results, and present availability or alternatives. So it can guide the next step as well, whether that's ordering the part, escalating to a human, or continuing the workflow. So these upcoming use cases extend the agent's ability to support more complex processes, giving both customers and service teams real-time answers and smoother hands-off across systems. All right, and that's it for our demo. So thank you all for joining.